Hello, hi.
Welcome to Precious Metal Support.
Episode 2. This week I'm with my mentor, our founder of Indigo Precious Metals,
David Mitchell.
How you doing?
Underscore here 92, who asked, should I start with gold or silver? Good question. What do you think, David?
From a starter standpoint, I would suggest gold. I mean, silver is a much more volatile beast. On a longer term perspective, silver holds much more prospective valuation. So if you're looking for outsized returns, then silver's your beast. But from a conservative standpoint, I would start with gold.
Good advice. All right, next question. We have Jamie1802 who asked, do I pay tax when I buy or sell bullion in Singapore? Well, generally, if you're purchasing something that's investment grade, whether it's gold, silver, or platinum here in Singapore, the GST is exempted. So you don't have to worry about GST at all. One more thing to take note of is Singapore itself has no capital gains. So let's say in about 5 years, your bullion appreciates and you start making some profits out of it. Don't worry, no one's going to tax you for those profits. Freeport here in Singapore as well, they are a tax-free zone. So if you do vote with us here at Indigo Precious Metals, your bullion that's stored in the Freeport is tax-free. So you don't have to worry about that as well. We have Madam Jacqueline Chin here who asked, is physical bullion better than a gold ETF? What do you think about that?
An ETF effectively gives you price exposure. It's a trading vehicle. It's not a wealth preservation asset class. You don't take ownership title with an ETF. You also have counterparty risk. Within an ETF, there is what we call a force majeure clause. So they can announce force majeure at any particular juncture when you've got extreme price movements or extreme shortages in the metal. From an ownership title, in this particular cycle we're in, I personally want to stay well away from derivatives and any paper instruments. I think force majeures, default risks are very much prevalent in this particular cycle that we're in ultimately. So ownership title is where I want to be at. So physical ownership of a hard metal, fully allocated, outside of the financial system. That's where you want to be. And again, what are global central banks doing? They're buying physical gold. Follow what they do, not what they say.
Solid advice.
Solid.
So basically, get physical bullion then.
Yes. If you're looking to trade markets, speculate on price movements in the short term, then yes, of course, look at paper instruments such as an ETF. But physical bullion is a wealth preservation asset. I tend to buy and hold for my family holdings from a long-term perspective over the next 3, 4, 5 years. I don't want to expose myself to paper instruments. And I'm an ex-investment banker, and I stay away from paper. From a cost-effectiveness standpoint, ETFs can actually be quite a costly little affair if you're holding them for a long period of time. Over several years, the cost structure of an ETF eats away at your investment quite quickly.
Nice.
Nice.
Clever you.
Are you?
Let's go on to question number 4. This question is asked by Curious_1, who asked what's the difference between a cast bar and a minted bar. Thankfully for today, I have provided these 2 bars for all to see. Now, this is a cast bar and this is a minted bar. So, cast bars generally are poured and then they have a rougher looking, finish to it. Whereas minted bars, as you can see, it's a little bit more prettier. They have more design aspect on it as well, and it's kind of like polished gold as well. So that's the basic differences between those two. But ultimately, if you're buying between these two, they are priced generally around the same, with the cast bars being slightly cheaper. At the end of it all, if you're buying a 1 ounce, say minted bar, or a 1 ounce cast bar, yeah, they are the same. Yeah, the contents are the same, the purity is the same, everything's the same. It's just the way that they're being produced. That's it, actually. Generally, clients like to buy both. The ones that are investing a whole ton of cash, to be honest with you, they generally gravitate towards the cast bars a little bit more because the premiums are slightly less when they purchase. But on the showroom floor, anyone could pick up a minted bar as well because they're pretty. So you want things that are pretty as well, right? Okay, that's it. We had 4 questions. Thank you so much, everybody, and David as well for jumping into episode 2.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye, everybody. Cheers.